You clicked on this video for a reason: to use a wireless keyboard and mouse on PS5 without lag, pairing issues, or guessing what actually works. I got you, so stick with me. And quick heads up, if this helps, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss fixes and setups like this. First, check what type you have. Most wireless keyboards and mice work on PS5 if they use a USB receiver, dongle. Plug the dongle straight into one of the PS5's USB ports. Front or back, both work. After a few seconds, the keyboard and mouse should connect automatically with no setup. If your keyboard or mouse is Bluetooth, go to Settings, Arrow, Accessories, Arrow, Bluetooth, and Accessories on the PS5. Put your keyboard or mouse into pairing mode, wait for it to appear on the list, then select it to connect. Once paired, it stays saved for future use. Now, test where it works. Keyboards and mice work perfectly for text input, menus, browser, and supported games. Just know that not every game supports mouse and keyboard controls. That's up to the game, not the PS5. If nothing responds, try a different USB port or unplug the dongle and reinsert it. Also, make sure the device has fresh batteries or is fully charged. Low power causes random disconnects that look like lag. Pro tip: if you're using both keyboard and mouse, plug the dongle directly into the PS5 instead of a USB hub. Hubs can cause input delay or dropouts during gameplay. If this video helped you, hit the like and sub. If not, drop a comment with the keyboard or mouse you're using, and I'll tell you exactly how to get it working.